Hello and welcome to OnceHub video tutorials. My name is Reema. I am a part of support team here at OnceHub. In today's video, we will see how to connect GoTo Meeting as a video conferencing option with your OnceHub account. So let's get started with the steps. You would first need to sign in to your OnceHub account and then click on profile icon here on the top right corner and then click on user integrations. In user integrations, we would select GoTo Meeting and then hit connect. As soon as I hit connect, it's going to give a pop-up window which will ask you to enter your email and your password for your GoTo Meeting account. And once that you have entered those details, it will connect the GoTo Meeting account. So I have entered the email and password, and now the GoTo Meeting account is connected with my OnceHub account. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.